Cafeteria, and in this video you will see my hiking and kayaking adventure on Lake Zirou in Epirus, the northern part of Greece. Lake Zirou is an elliptical body of water celebrated for its natural beauty. And this is the relief trail of my kayaking adventure that you'll see in this video. The lake is fed by underground springs from the north, emerging 12 meters below the water surface, rather than by the surrounding mountains. Besides canoeing, kayaking and hiking, visitors can also enjoy cycling on the forest trails. Lake Zirou is a wetland area included in the Natura network. In spring, storks arrive to nest, and throughout the year, the lake is home to various bird species such as buzzards, ducks and nightingales. The area is also rich in amphibian life. Surrounded in tranquil, clear blue waters is a beautiful deciduous forest, dense in places but with clearings among the trees. Benches are available for visitors to sit and enjoy the scenery. The southern part of the lake features a shallow, sandy beach. I highly recommend kayaking around the lake. I even swam in the lake and the water is quite warm. And that's me in my solo kayak trip on Lake Zirou. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.